Hello, welcome to our class science page. This is just a quick introductory video to show how this page works, how to navigate it, and what you'll be expected to do as we go through each science unit. Now keep in mind that as we start each unit, the first thing you should do is come over and click on this button to take the pre-test for that unit. Now it's not a hard test, it shouldn't be a big challenge. It's just for me to see what you know already, things that we need to cover in depth and things that we can skip over because you already know them. So as you go through this test, don't worry about what you get right and wrong. It's just, again, to see what you know. So just answer the best you can. When you're done, you'll come down here and you'll click Submit. And that'll take you to a page that shows you that it was submitted and that I can see your results. And then you'll be good. After you've done that, go ahead and go back to our science page. Now let's take a look here. I've divided the whole unit up into days. And whenever you see letters or words or terms that are colored, that means they're linked to another website. So this one says, click here to read about the water cycle. We'll click on that and we can see that it took us to another website that just briefly explains more in depth what the water cycle is. On this website, you'd be expected to just read these first 3 paragraphs and then have a short discussion with a partner about that, or maybe write in your science journal about that. Back on our science page, we scroll down and we can see that diagram of the water cycle, and we see some more words that are colored. These are vocabulary terms that you'll enter in a science journal with their definitions. But again, these are linked to other websites. So we have the definition here, just this short definition of the term. But as we click on that link, we can see that it gives us a demonstration to help us understand a little more in depth about that term. So as you click on these websites, you don't maybe have to read the whole thing that's there because some of them can be kind of long, but just get a good idea of what that term is, and these diagrams and animations should help you do that. Also on our science page, you'll see links to videos. Some videos can give us a really good idea of how things work. This is a video on condensation. So just click on that arrow to make it start, and as you probably know, you can click down here and make it full screen. You can watch the video. These are usually pretty short. And of course we won't take the time right now to watch that video. But you'll see that each day is set up pretty much the same way. We've got an objective at the beginning of the day as well, at the beginning of that lesson. Here we've got a music video by They Might Be Giants. I think you'll like that one. Let's click on clouds here, and I'll show you that this website, it actually is very long. And like I said before, I don't expect you to read everything all the way down to the bottom. Of course, you're more than welcome to, but you don't have to. Usually you'll just have to read, the first 2 or 3 paragraphs just to get a good idea of that term that we're talking about. Anyway, I hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in class.